Hi there, thank you for joining in. In this video, what I'm going to show you is how you can transfer from your own private bank account onto Binance. So that's the first thing that you got to do, because in our earlier video we showed how you can create an account on Binance, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer your amount from your bank and how to get some USDT. So firstly, what is USDT? USDT is actually it's called US dollar tether. It's the version of digital currency in Binance. You can get many other currencies like you have USD, US tether, BUSD for Binance USD. But if you are in Sri Lanka, and the quickest and easiest way for you to get some money onto Binance where you can start doing your trades is by getting it from the P2P network. So how do we get here is basically on your home screen once you have logged on to Binance. I will share the links below as well how you can join in. Under the trade menu, you will get a selection called P2P. So once you select on P2P, ensure that you are under the P2P tab and USDT is picked. Now you get two sliders, one is for buying and another is for selling. So what you're going to focus right now is for buying, since you want to get some dollars in, right, in order to start your trading. So let's say you are interested in getting about say $50,000 50,000 rupees. You want to get that converted to dollars. So if you just click on the search bar, this would filter all the P2P sellers of dollars over to you who are selling for the range that you're looking for. So you can also ensure that your fiat currency is selected as LKR. It's very important that it's selected to LKR, because once it's selected to LKR, what it means is the seller will receive currencies from you in LKR, which means that you can easily send the money from your own bank through online banking, maybe from an app, and on over to the seller's account. So payments, you get multiple options. You get bank transfers, you can cash deposit to bank. Dialog has introduced the easy cash options as well, where you can do transactions if you have a PayMe account, Genie account, Skrill. So these are for different options, but what we are going to cover here is the bank transfer option. So if you want, you can filter by bank transfers. And over now, what I'm going to do next is you will see multiple sellers of dollars over here. If you are a little bit concerned to know, okay, I have never met this guy before, I have never met this girl before, I don't know if I can trust them. One way that you could find out is by identifying the total number of orders that they had done, which you can see over here. So if you see this particular character person has done about 318 orders, which 88.83% of completions have been done. So there are several reasons why completions could not have been done. One main reason being either they had timed out, but for them to still be in the game, for them to be selling dollars, in most instances they would have managed to transfer the monies to their customers even after the timer has been completed, or else they will get blacklisted. So that's one assurance for you to know whether can you really trust this person or not. Next thing is, I would really advise you just you will always get a verified button. So the verified icon on that particular profile means that Binance has verified them as an authorized seller. That is another way that you could gain some assurance to know whether these sellers are trusted or not. But I would really say, anyone who has a good percentage of completion and quite a large number of orders, definitely you can just go in with anyone else, right? So over here, what you need to do is, now as you can see, you're looking for 50,000 rupees to get transferred to into USDT. This particular buyer seller is actually selling USDT at 382.41, and likewise the further you go below, the higher that it gets. Let's check one of these sellers. So I'm going to click on Kavindu, and as you can see, I'm going to start entering some details. You can also just check the terms and conditions by the particular seller, which will really come in handy for you to make the transaction. So I'm going to say 50,000 rupees. Okay, I'm going to get 130 USDT. This automatically converts. Even vice versa, even if you're thinking, you know what, I want to get $150 and the LKR will get transferred, will get converted above. So it will make it much more easy for you to know. So let's go with the assumption that we want to get 50,000 LKR transferred to this particular seller, and as you can see, you get 130.72 USDT. Click on the buy USDT button, and once this happens, you will go into the next screen where you will start to fulfill any other details to the seller. So first things first, what you can do here is you can see that the seller over here on this page, you will get a chat option, right? So the chat option will always give you a particular guidelines for what you need to do. Over here, you can see that the seller is giving you two options of bank transfer accounts. You can either transfer to their Sampath Bank or either to their NTB, so whatever bank transfers that have been given. So what I would do firstly is, if you are not too sure of the seller, if it's a first time seller, I would really recommend you to drop a message, just check and see if they're online. And if they are online, just ask them, can I make the transfer? I'm ready to make the transfer, and then just hit that send button over here on this chat box. Once they do send the reply, all you need to do is just open up your online banking app or even through your website when you're going to transfer your money. Just copy their bank account details over here, as you can see. And once you have done that transaction, make sure that you get a screenshot of your transaction receipt. And I would really advise, if you can get that screenshot over to this chat, attach that image, and even send it to the particular seller, because it's just for assurance for both your sides. You need to make sure to maintain a stable relationship in the longer run. So once you have made that transfer, all you just need to do is just click the transfer notify seller button. So what does this really mean? Now, as you can see on the top here, it says the order is created, please wait for system confirmation, and now the timer is going down from 13 minutes. So it starts at 15 minutes. What does this mean is that within 15 minutes, the particular seller has to deposit the said USDT. Given that you have transferred the LKR on time, they have to transfer it within this time frame. So the moment you hit transfer notify to seller, that's it. Once you click that, you just need to just wait. Do not panic, do not worry. You can drop a message to the seller, and you can say, look, I transferred the money. Just let me know once you have transferred back. And the sooner that they have acknowledged that you have sent the money to their bank account, they will just simply click the done from their end. And once that happens, your money will automatically get transferred to you, and then you'll get a successful screen button. So as a norm, just to maintain a good relationship with each of your transactors, I would really recommend, if you can hit a positive review to these sellers, drop a comment, because it really helps their growth as well. And in the longer run, you can maintain a good partnership as well. So that's how you can get your money transferred from an LKR account and get your USDT to Binance. You have completed your transaction, everything's done, you have made a review to the seller of the USDT. Now where is your money? Sometimes do not panic. Sometimes you might get into a fear shock and be wondering, like, where the hell is my money? It's not in my wallet or wherever. Very simple activities that you just need to do. I have come onto the home screen. If you just click on this button of your profile icon, you can just click on the wallet, and under the wallet you will get an option called fund in wallet. Whatever money that you get transferred via P2P will always come onto your fund in wallet. So from your fund in wallet, as soon as the money has come onto this wallet, you will see how much of USDT that you have, how much that the value means. Now, first things first, if you want to start making any transactions in terms of buying and selling of other cryptocurrency coins, you need to transfer your money from your fund in wallet onto your spot wallet. So in the latter tutorials, we will learn what a spot wallet means and what is the benefit of this. But just for sake of this video, I will show you how simple it is for you to just transfer your money from your funding to your spot wallet. So just click over the transfer button over here, and when you click the transfer button, you just need to simply ensure that the from is selected as funding. So in this case, I'm just going to reverse this selection. So I'm going to say, okay, I want to transfer from my funding wallet onto my fiat and spot wallet. You will select what's the coin that you have. In some instances, if someone is just sending you a gift, you might even have Bitcoin, you might even have AVAX, Phantom, different coins. You can always select what is the coin that you want to transfer, and it's just a matter of either you click the hit the max button, or you just enter a value that you wish to transfer to your spot wallet. So in this case, if you want to just send 100 USDT, just click the confirm button, and just in a matter of seconds the money is transferred onto your spot wallet. How you can see that money is basically moving over here to fiat and spot, and you will see that US dollar tether has been successfully transferred. So this is how basically you can very simply transfer your money from an LKR account to your Binance under USDT, and from USDT, once it comes to your funding wallet, how you can transfer it onto your fiat and spot wallet. So that's it on this video. I would very much appreciate if you can smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, because I will be posting many more other videos on Binance, on cryptocurrencies, how you can get any passive income projects. So in the long run, it's going to be a really great show over here. So I would really appreciate you on all of that. So thank you very much, and have a good day.